As an HVAC technician, sometimes you'll run into some issues that you haven't seen before or you don't see very often. One of those situations happened recently on a double-wide mobile home. The home never kept cool. It was a 4-ton system inside of it. The homeowner contacted us about changing it to a 5-ton. With that being said, we changed the condenser, changed the coil, and if you speak with Coleman, they will tell you that you got to have a special blower assembly that slides into where the old blower went. It's not just a bigger motor. You can't just go put a 3/4 horse in it. It's a bigger wheel. You have to have this blower. Well, even with all that, it still doesn't function properly. So if you're in this situation and you're trying to solve what you need to do, your issue is airflow. So you got to get more air into the return, and you're going to have to get more air out of the supply. And the way that you'll do that is you'll have to cut in a bigger return, or maybe on a sidewall, but also you're going to have to go underneath the trailer where there is a 12-inch transferred up to the front trunk line, and you're going to have to add a minimum of another 12-inch trunk line. We had to add a 12-inch trunk line alongside the one that's already there, and then add a 6-inch to finally get our target of 10 degrees of superheat is what we end up getting. But without doing all those things, you would have never been able to switch a 4-ton mobile home to a 5-ton mobile home system without doing them all. If this is helpful, consider liking and following, and we'll talk about other issues that come along the way as an HVAC technician.